Hey everybody, the day after storms and thunderstorms and tornado watch, and well, all's well as you can see behind, but look, tree branch fell there. Not sure where it's from, maybe from there, doesn't seem clear up here. But fortunately, that's it. There's nothing else. Yard is clear, and that's a squirrel over there. So we have a new fence, so we're cool over there. This is it. We're quite fortunate. Quite fortunate. That and that twig over there. That's about it. That's it. Wow. Now imagine if I had stepped outside the garage last night, making the video, and I happened to walk over here and that thing fell. It's a good idea I didn't. Other parts of Georgia got it worse, unfortunately. Subscribe to Zenny62 and bookmark oaklandnewsnow.com.